Now, Saha Shabda, I told you. Saha. Mool Shabda is what? Tat. Mool Shabda is Tat. This book is very different. They think the students, reading this book are very excellent, and that is true. So they gave two more pronoun in this first chapter only. What all they? Why it is not speaking? Bhavan. First word is Bhavan. What is Bhavan? When we say in Hindi, we say आप कैसे हो to a male. That time you can say Bhavan. We'll see declension of Bhavan also. Just a minute. I'm not able to click it. Bhavan. So Bhavan. Bhavan. Okay. So Bhavan means what? Masculine gender. Bhavan. Bhavan means aap in Hindi. In English, you can say you. Aap. You. But little bit different. In English, we have he and you for second person. But here one more we have Bhavan for male. Pullinga. That is important. Pullinga. How it declines is not given here in first chapter, but I am going to tell you. So we decline this is what happened this Bhavan, you can write down Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantah. Utsaha. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantah. Only Prathama Vibhakti we are going to study, not all. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantau, Bhavantah. Means if you want to say to one person, you will say Bhavan. If two persons are there, Bhavantau. So how will you say? This also has 7 vibhaktis, but only one we will see. Bhavan, Bhavantau. See, you have to work after class. Okay, you just can't shut everything and ho gaya class. You can't say. At least 15 minutes you have to read whatever we saw. I'm not saying much time. And Bhavantah. Bhavantah means plural. If many people are there, you will say Bhavantah. If one is there, you can say Bhavan. Like when I come to class, and if all male are there, male people, okay, masculine gender, I will say Bhavantah Katham Santi. How are you all? Bhavantah. If one just Agrawal ji is there, I will say Bhavan. Katham Asti. One person, Bhavan. Many person, many people, Bhavantah. Two people, Bhavantau. They have not given here, but this is extra. This also has 7 vibhaktis, but we are not going detail because later 21st, 22nd chapter we will go in that. Okay. Yes, Bhavan, Bhavantau. Okay, what if one lady comes? What to say to that? Very easy. You have to say Bhavati. Bhavati. So Mool Shabda is Bhavati. See here, is there Visarga? No Visarga. Means it is Strilinga. And what about this? I told you that is basic rule when you start. But here Bhavan, there is no Visarga, but still it is Pullinga. But that rule will help you in the beginning very much. Okay. Now how this Bhavati declines? Only Prathama Vibhakti we will learn today. So Bhavati declines Bhavati, Bhavati, Bhavantyau, Bhavantyah. Little bit difficulty you will feel, but don't worry. When you after class read it, you will say this is easy, like bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantah, and here bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyah. Bhavati, bhavatyau. See, when I give practice set, it will be very clear. Bhavatyau and bhavatyah.
Just a minute. Actually, bhavati will be small e or capital E?
Capital. Capital E.
अच्छा, capital E.
हाँ, बड़ा वाला
भवती.
दीर्घ दीर्घ भवती.
अच्छा दीर्घ आएगा. अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So in next week you can buy that book. So whatever I teach, that is there in book. It is easy to understand. Then if any doubt remains, it is easy to understand. So bhavati, bhavatyah. This laptop sometimes. Bhavatyah means if one lady is there, if Rupaji only is there, I can say bhavati. Katham asti, how are you? Bhavati. If many are there, I will say bhavatyah katham asti. Bhavatyah. This is clear now. Only we have to learn verbs now. So I am repeating full. Like akaranta pullinga, I will repeat. Then how to say bhavan, first vibhakti, and then strilinga, first vibhakti.
भवत्य म्हणजे काय?
Ah?
भवत्य म्हणजे काय?
See, Rama means what? One Rama. Bhavati means what? One lady. Aap. Bhavati ka meaning bhi also aap hi hai. When I want to say many ladies, I will say bhavatyah katham asti. Bhavatya is plural only. Meaning same ही रहेगा ना. आप कैसे हो? एक आदमी को मैं पूछता हूँ, एक लेडीज को, और बहुत सारी है तो भवत्यः कथम सन्ति. For many, bhavatyah. For one, you will understand when we see verbs. Okay. Yeah. Name of the book link I will share you. Now you pay attention. I'm stopping my screen. See, first we saw akaranta pullinga.
Yeah.
Ramah, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Akaranta pullinga. Same way, Vidyalayah, Vidyalayau, Vidyalayah. Vidyalayam, Vidyalayau, Vidyalayan. Any word. Bharadwajah, Bharadwajau, Bharadwajaha. Bharadwajam, Bharadwajau, Bharadwajan. Na is at the end. Then we saw Bhavan Shabda. Bhavan is for pullinga, masculine gender. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantah. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantah. Clear. For strilinga, Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyah. Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyah. When you can decline words in reverse order. Raman, Ramau, Ramam. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Then you understand. Now you have by hearted it. Like that for 7 vibhaktis in Gurukul we have done. From bottom we'll go to top in reverse direction. See, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, anybody can say. But Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, very few people can say for any word. Okay. Now.
One doubt I have. One doubt.
Yes.
You said actually Bhavan Katham Asti, right? You can say that. Similarly, can we say Bhavanto Katham Asti?
No, that we are going to see now. How to use verb. Because brother and sister, they will always go together. Our brother will go with our sister.
Okay.
They are like brother and sister. Now they will not go with each other. Like mismatch won't be there. So that we will see. Okay. Now we are moving towards Kriyapad. Okay. Kriyapad. See how compact is this one chapter. That is why you all are here, because it is serious study. Okay, come on. Today one incident happened. I gave my computer to one sir and he gave me back in this condition.
Oh, that's a problem.
You know, we help somebody out of
It is always
love. Yes. Yes. Let please come. Okay, it doesn't come. He asked me to check whether viruses are there or not in that. I said, okay, I have antivirus. I will check it and give it back. Right. That virus, something it has happened here.
Some virus has gone in. Yes.
No problem. Chalo, dekhte hain what happens. Okay, chalo. Yes. Now I told you verb we are going to see. Okay. Not much in detail. Just one verb I will tell you. Patha. Many of us we know this. Patha. 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 And this verb we will decline now. Verb also declines and word also declines. Like Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha also declines. And this also declines. Now, this also has ekvachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. This also has. Yeah, now don't get confused because difference is there. Yeah. Only difference is when you decline word, there is prathama vibhakti, dvitiya vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti, like that vibhakti word. But when you decline any verb, there is purush. Like we say pratham purush, like first person. Person means purush in Sanskrit. First person, like we say purush. Purush. So pratham purush we are going to decline. Now you see confusing. We say third person. We say third person in English for the person who is not I, you, which is third person. But in Sanskrit, we say first person. We don't say third person. This is the difference. Then what do you say for first person? We have different name for that. Okay, that we'll see, not at a time, slowly. So we can say pratham purush. Pratham purush. It is purush. Pratham purush. Okay. We don't say pratham vibhakti. That is prathama vibhakti for word. Make it clear. And this is for dhatu. Now you have to match the pair. Like I can say pa tha ti. Pathati. I will have to restart this, but let it be. Pathati. Pathati. Pathatah. Pathanti. These are the pairs. Pathati. Pathatah. You can write down. I will write it down later. Pathati. Ekvachan. Pathatah. Dvivachan. Pathanti. Bahuvachan. I repeat. Pathati ekvachan, chota e, rasva e, pathati. Then pathatah dvivachan. Here ekvachan verb and their ekvachan word, they are brother and sister, or two brothers you can say. They will go together. There will not be any mismatch. Okay. Yeah, we'll see that. Okay.
Can you repeat this ekvachan last sentence?
Yes. Yes. See, ekvachan. So we have now ekvachan in verb and ekvachan in word. Like Ramah ekvachan, Pathati ekvachan. So both ekvachan they will go together. Ramah pathati, Rupa pathati, Meenakshi pathati. Ekvachan here, they will go together. Okay, same way, pathatah. Pathatah. Only this much we have to remember today. Sir, slowly you give many things. Yes. Because I know you can digest it. Pathatah, pathanti. Next class we have for practice. Don't worry. I will repeat these also. Patha and next will be pathanti. Pathanti. This is not coming. Okay. Pathanti. So patha, pathati, pathatah and pathanti means what? Ramah, whenever I want to, pathati means to read or to study. Pathati. If one Rama studies, then I will say Ramah pathati, because ekvachan there, ekvachan here, they will go together. If two Ramas are reading, I will say Ramau, because their Dvitiya Vibhakti is Ramau, because Ramah Ramau. And I will say Ramau pathatah. Pathatah. And many Ramas are there, I will say Ramaha pathanti. Yes, Rupaji also know this, other students also know this, because they are from second level, fourth level when I was teaching before. Yeah, only you have to match the pair. You can't say Ramah pathanti, because Ramah is one and pathanti is bahuvachan. So they are not brother. They will not go together. Yes. Now your simple small test. If I want to say aap sab padhte ho, you take time. Aap sab, all are masculine gender.
भवन्त्यः पठन्ति.
फिर से एक बार.
भवन्तः पठन्ति.
हाँ, because bhavantyah is no any word. Bhavatyah we have and bhavantah we have. So bhavantah pathati. If two ladies are reading, then
Bhavantyo patanti.
Bhavantyo
Patanti.
भवत्यो
पठति.
पठता है. भवत्यो पठता है.
Only Agrawal ji is saying right. See, now
भवत्यो पठता है.
Pathatah. Now you can, understand here. Yes. See, I am writing now pair. Okay. You also write down this. I know in the beginning, no, after 10th class also this problem will be there. Ramah and Ramau. This is our experience. Okay. You can't say no, so this is easy. No, after 2-3 days, I will confuse you again. Like Saha, Tau. See, we have to learn only grammar. No need to learn all meaning, translation. No. Grammar you learn. Any word meaning, shloka meaning, you will be able to trace. Bhavan. See, you should know what I am writing. Huh? Bhavan. Bhavantau and bhavantah. Bhavan, bhavanto, bhavantah. Okay. Yes. Bhavantah. Bhavantah. This way it is coming. Okay. Bhavan. No, no, this is not working. Bhavan, bhavanto. You write down that bhavan, bhavanto, bhavantah. Below that you write down bhavati, bhavatyah, bhavanti, bhavantyah, bhavatyah. And below that you write down patati, patatah, patanti. Means you know Ramah, patati will come. See, initially you try this. When you become expert in this, you need not write this way. But initially you have to try. Like Bhavan, then Bhavati. These four things only we saw today. Second Vibhakti, we are not going into it. Okay. Bhavan, Bhavantau. 1 hour will fly just like that. Bhavan, Bhavantu. When you understand many things, you develop interest and concentration. And Bhavati. Don't get confused with this Bhavantyo, Bhavati. We'll see all word declension. Slowly, slowly. Bhavatyo, Bhavatyah. After class, only 10-15 minutes you give. And here will come the Kriya Pad, verb, properly. Rama will have Bhavati, Pathati, Gacchati. But I have taken Pathati because you should not be confused with another thing. Pathati. And when Rama is there, Pathatah. Next class, I will test you. And Pathatyah. Pathanti. What is confusion? Pathanti. See now, there should not be confusion. This way you write down. So whenever you use these all verb in first column, Pathati only will come. No confusion. When you say Ramau, Ishwarau, Lakshmanau, that time Bhavat Pathatah only will come if they are reading. Next class we will see some more rules and more Kriya Pada so that you can make sentence. And first chapter will be over. So much is given in first chapter. They will give more because they know you all are keen towards learning. Book link I will send you which book to buy after class. This PowerPoint also I will send you. There is nothing to preserve, reserve, nothing. Enjoy, take it, but you should take notes while class. That only you will understand more. So this much we understand. I'm going to repeat everything now. Last 5 minutes recapitulation. Nothing new. Ramah Saha Prathama. But how we have to remember? Ramah Ramo Rama. Saha Taute. Bhavatah Bhavan Bhavanto Bhavantah. Bhavati Bhavatyah Bhavat. Bhavati Bhavan Bhavatyau Bhavatyah. This you remember. And Patati Patata Patanti. If you remember these, any words you will be able to decline. Over.
Thank you.
Now you can check in Gita. Wherever Bhavantav has come, there will be second verb only. If Saha has come, Patati, Gachati, Likati, some verb will be there in T format only. Ekvachan, here also Ekvachan similar. Okay. Next Monday, we will see more things. Okay.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Do you have any homework? No?
Homework by heart this only. Saha Taute,
Okay.
and Rama 2 vibhaktis. Next class I will ask. Decline Bharatah shabd or Bharatah. So you should be able to tell Bharatah, Bharato, Bharata. This much is big homework actually, because we don't know how to say au, tyau, tah, kyah.
Yeah.
Okay, that practice you do today. Pathati, and more things like vocabulary and some rules we'll see in next class. Any doubt you can ask. This PowerPoint you will get today only. Bolo.
Okay. No, you'll send me the PDF, right? Because I can't buy that book.
Acha, yeah, PDF. Okay. Okay. PDF I will send. Here we will stop. Bolo.
किताब का रेफरेंस दीजिए, किताब का रेफरेंस दीजिए.
Yes.
Book reference, book.
I will text the link only, Amazon link. You can buy it.
Okay, fine. Very nice.
Okay, I am concluding.
Okay. Thank you.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.